Hi everyone. It is e-learning week 3, and this is an overview of what we're going to be doing for the week like we have done the last few weeks. So it's going to give you an idea of what we're going to be doing and our objectives for this week. So by the end of this week, you will be able to use nets and construct nets like we talked about last week in order to compute the surface area of prisms and cylinders. So on Tuesday, you will be calculating the surface area of rectangular prisms, constructing nets, and computing the surface area of rectangular prisms. On Wednesday, you will be constructing nets and computing the surface area of cylinders. We got some practice on drawing nets for prisms and cylinders last week, and like I told you last week, now we're going to be working on surface area. So that's what Tuesday and Wednesday are going to be. On Thursday, it's going to be kind of a review of finding surface area of prisms and cylinders. There will be a Canvas assignment, kind of like bell work that we've done all year long, with several questions where you're going to be finding surface area of prisms and cylinders. So on Tuesday and Wednesday, I will have a video lesson for you for finding surface area of prisms, and then a separate one for finding surface area of cylinders. Feel free to use those videos on Thursday as you complete your review assignment on surface area. On Friday, we're going to do things a little bit differently. I'm going to give you 2 options to check in with me and kind of interact and give me some checks for what you understand and what we need to do moving forward with e-learning. So first option is Zoom conference like we have been doing. I'll have a sign-up sheet available starting on Thursday's Canvas announcement where you can sign up. The times are a little bit different. I have modified those a little bit, so be sure that when you sign up, you do look at the times. They are a little bit different than the last 2 weeks. The other option to check in with me is a Google form survey with several questions in it in regards to e-learning. I am going to use the data that I receive and the feedback that I receive from that Google form to make any modifications going forward with e-learning, whether that's modifying lessons, modifying the amount of e-learning, or just changing things up. Whatever feedback you guys give me will help me make modifications. So please take that serious if you decide to do the Google form. So in summary, lots of surface area this week. And then Friday, check-in will be with a Zoom conference or a Google form. That's all I have for you. Have a great week. And if I do not talk to you, have a wonderful spring break.